Hello there and welcome to Cooking Satisfaction, and today we're gonna make grilled cheese and get that beautiful cheese pull. The question remains, butter or mayo? It all boils down to preference. I prefer butter for its distinct taste and richness. It also doesn't have that aftertaste mayo has. The best practice is to spread the butter on the bread and not in the pan to get that uniform toast, so make sure it's in room temperature. I use white bread for the nostalgia factor, but if you want to step up your bread game, sourdough is a good option because it has its tangy flavor. If you kind of feel guilty about eating too much cheese in one go, multigrain bread can ease your mind a bit. Actually, any bread can be used for grilled cheese if you know the basics by watching this video in full. Now we start cooking this starting with a cold pan under medium-low heat and place the bread first butter side down. Then we add the perfect cheese combo: cheddar, mozzarella, and Gouda. This combo makes that perfect pull almost all the time. The mozzarella really softens the flavor of both cheeses and makes the cheese more stringy. I use young Gouda cheese because aged cheese have less moisture in them, so it's less stretchy, and cheddar is just hands down the best cheese for this sandwich, for its flavor and stretchiness. With these cheeses combined, you get a complex taste that's just right with a cheese pull to impress your friends. When you see the cheese starts to melt and you get a good browning on the toast, we now place the other slice on top with the butter side facing up, and now we do the flip. And how horrible I did it. Hear that sizzle? Now pay attention to that because when it stops, the other side is done and it's ready to serve. Now to get that perfect cheese pull, slice it up like this. Beautiful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.